get you a little bit of footage from one of my service calls today. So I got a gas furnace here. First time I'm just jumping it out here at the board. First time the burners did not light up, but the second time they did. So here comes number 3. Let's see what happens here. Flame sensor's okay because it's staying on, so igniter's good. Let's see what happens. We're at post purge right now. I'm just waiting for the inducer to come on. The old Frigidaire. It's just the wiring diagram. There's our model and serial, probably in the upper cabinet. Come on, baby. This is why I don't like the gas flex crap. Look at that stuff, man. Looks like crap. Crap. Alright, here she goes. It sure doesn't sound too bad, I guess. Take these burners out and clean them, since they are easy on these units. Clean our flame sensor. See if we can get it to fire off 5 times in a row. Alright, I got my trusty Milwaukee right angle with my quarter. Take that screw out right there. Take him out. And then of course, you gotta clean him with that. Let's do it. Alright, you get the drift. Oh yeah. Let's put her back in. Show you something else I like here, guys. This little guards they make for these switches so you can't bump it with your arm on accident. I wanted to get some of these. They don't have it for the light switch, but they have it for the furnace switch. That's pretty cool. Alright, we're back in. She's polished with the $100 bill, the Benjamin. Let's fire it back up. Switch close. There's the igniter. Come on, gas valve. Okay, number 2 commencing. That was just me making that noise. That coil. ADP, Stone Mountain, Georgia. And there goes the pressure switch. There goes our igniter. It's quite the delay in this gas valve. Alright, let's let it run a bit, make sure it stays on. Okay, let's put him in there for good luck. Good luck charm right there. Sure it stays on. Make sure our blower's kicked on too. Guess I could get my clamp meter on there. Hold on, I can't really hear if it's on or not. Alright, we're getting 3.86 amps. And that's not our blower, that's our full line. Hold on a second here. Never mind, I'm a dummy. That was our blower. Set the light on. See that? 2.74 amps. So let's kick this back off again. Got our burner stand on. Let's go run it through the cycle again. Let's watch our amps go from 0 to nothing when our blower kicks on. All right, initiating the inducer. So we have no amps. So we know our fan's not on. See what our inducer amps are. We are, damn, this light doesn't show up good. So we're 0.85 amps on our inducer, and it's rated at 1.1, so we're good there. Let's go back over to our fan. He already kicked on. Post purge. It's taking a while to get that pressure switch to close. Might clean all these hoses up too while I'm here. There it goes. Just doing its post-purge stuff. I'll be right back. So what'll happen with these is it'll go through its post-purge, and our fan will kick off. You'll see our amps go to 0 here, and then our inducer will come back on. So right now we just have fan on our post-purge, and it'll start the cycle again to get our heat going. So wait for that, and I'll be back with you. This was my handiwork here when I was here a couple of years ago. There's huge holes in here just shooting all kinds of heat out, so I taped that all up good for them. Some mastic tape. It's ugly, but it works. Alright guys, post purge is done, our fan is off, our blower fan. Here goes our inducer fan here. Inducer motor, vent motor, whatever you want to call it. Let's go through our sequence again. So we're going to hear our pressure switch click. If you heard that, let's go down here, should get an igniter. There goes our igniter. And you're going to hear this guy click. It's a really slow operating furnace. There we go. Let's make sure she stays on. So there's a limit switch in the air side of the unit. It'll kick the fan on once the heat exchanger gets to a certain temperature. That's when the fan kicks on. So let's wait for that. When these burners going, it should trigger the fan shortly. So basically, there it goes. Ready to click, or the relay click on the circuit board there. And there goes our blower. Alright, now the last thing I'm going to do is go inside and just make sure the thermostat's doing what it's supposed to do, because I have it jumpered out from bypassing the thermostat, so we always want to make sure it works per the thermostat as well. So let's go do that. Let's pull my jumpers off. Okay guys, I got my jumpers off there. That's one thing you never want to forget, or you're going to have a really unhappy customer with a hot house or a cool house. Cold house. Always remember to take your jumpers off. Guess how I know that? I've done it before. So we're waiting for our post-purge now. Basically what happens is the fan will stay on. Usually it's about 90 seconds to get any of the excess warm air out of the ductwork before it kicks off. That does a couple things for you. It keeps the ductwork from popping so much, and just it wants to utilize all the warm air it's produced before it shuts off. So right now we're calling for heat on the old thermostat. Wait for that. Okay, we're back to our heat initiation sequence. Blower is off. Vent motor, inducer motor is on. Another lucky charm in there. Don't let me forget him. Wait for this pressure switch to click and shut. Hear that diaphragm get pulled in. There it goes. Down here to our igniter. Hopefully, if you're not familiar with furnace, sequence of operations, this is helping you some. Should get this guy to click here shortly. I don't know why it takes this furnace so long. There it goes. Fire in the wall. Stays on. Take this guy out of there. Put this panel back on. I'm going to make sure she stays running for a while. Actually, let's wait for our blower to kick on. Let's hear this relay click. I don't know which one of these relays is the fan relay. I think we'll be up here by where the fan caps are. There it goes. Easy cheesy. And I'll make sure she stays running for a bit. I'll put the thermostat, see where the customer's thermostat is at, and get on out of here. Alright guys, it's been a good 10 minutes or so. She's running good. No issues. Let's go inside and check the thermostat. Guys, that's a wrap. Got my sticker on there. It's one of my older stickers. It doesn't have the lines for writing stuff on, but she's selling the house, so at least the new people will know where to go if they have any issues with this old system. AC is really old, so there you have it. Let's get out of here. All right, guys. Barely get to see this pretty face, so I thought I'd show it to you real quick. Well, sometimes you get to see enough of it. My wife gets tired of it. So yeah, hopefully you learned a little bit about gas furnace sequence of operations there. I'm not the best teacher, but I do my best, and hopefully that taught somebody who ends up watching this video how it's done. So anyway, I'm out of here. I didn't get anything on my first service call. I think that was just a dirty coil. I'm gonna have to come back when I'm equipped and I don't have frozen hoses to where I can give that system a thorough cleaning. So I'll be going back to my first call today. Both out here in beautiful Prineville, Oregon. If you've never been out to Central Oregon, if you live on the West Coast and never have, definitely come on out here. It's beautiful, lots of recreation, lots of things to do. So that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.